Thank you for watching that episode of Sloan's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what lovemaking next. It's been almost 2 weeks since I've done a video because I have been very ill. I have a disease called cystic fibrosis that had actually not bothered me much for 7 years, but it came roaring back here a couple weeks ago. Had to be hospitalized for a week or so to get myself back on track, and now I'm just trying to catch back up. I've been so sick that I can't even really... didn't even have it in me to build toys, which lets you know how sick I probably was. Alright, so I just wanted to do a real quick wrap-up video for these Rainbow Guardians, they call them. This was a kit from Temu. It was, of course, it is the Powerpuff Girls. You've got Bubbles, and you've got Blossom, and you've got Buttercup. And I think the kit was really good. The only downside was on Buttercup. I believe it was underneath here, there was a 1x2 flat piece that was missing, and so I did have to replace it with some, I just used 1x1, they're black, and you you might be able to see them, they're right here. So if you didn't have it, it would have been, off-colored. There were some leftover pieces, but unfortunately not the one that I wanted. They also come with different eyes, which I thought was kind of fun, so you can give them angry eyes if you want. And it also has a angry mouth. So you can give them a little bit of a grrr if you really want to. I like them the way they are here. So they were, pretty similarly constructed except for the heads, because each had a little bit different head shape, in which they captured very well. Bubbles, with her little ponytails on the side, and then you've got Blossom. She's got a longer, ponytail on the back, and then, of course, her little bows on top, and then Buttercup, who has the little cowlick, or whatever you want to call it, on the top there of her head. Might be hard to see there. There we go. Yeah, little cowlick on the top of her head. So they all had a little different head shapes, so they were all built a little bit different as far as the head goes. Pretty similar on the body, though. But I had a real fun time putting them together. I'll, of course, put the build videos at the end of this one, just so you can see how it went. I think they're very successful, the Rainbow Guardians. Definitely, essentially ripped off IP of the Powerpuff Girls that some Temu company did. But at least it turned out pretty successful. I had a lot of fun with them. I'm kind of excited to have them. Alright, well, thank you for watching Sloan's Reviews again. Of course, these are not Lego kits. These are fLego kits. Just wanted to make sure that's clear too. So these are not Lego brand. They are Lego compatible, but they are not Lego brand kits at all. They are definitely fLego. Fake Lego. Alright, thanks for watching again, and hopefully I'll get everything back on track here in the next couple days as I'm starting to feel better and can do some videos and some builds again. Please like and subscribe, and please consider supporting us on Patreon. We could definitely use the help as I've been off work for a couple weeks with being ill. Alright, thank you very much. Bye-bye. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon. If you subscribe today, for $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.